Hello, this is John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum, back with another week in review for the week of October 31st. I have a couple items in the news and then we'll tell you about the most active discussions at the Enterprise CIO Forum. First up in the news, FedRamp. What is FedRamp? Well, it stands for Federal Risk and Authorization Program, and it's a way to get agencies and arms of the federal government into the cloud. It assesses and authorizes agencies so they are vetted for cloud use. And it was devised over the past couple of years, and its philosophy was approve once and implement often. In other words, it was a cookie cutter way to get into the cloud. If this agency was FedRamp approved, well, an agency that wasn't FedRamp approved would just replicate what the FedRamp approved agency did. But now all agencies, it's mandatory for all agencies, so they must do it. Good resource for FedRamp is CIO.gov, which is the government CIO website. Next up in the news, HP has a new CIO and a new Executive Vice President of Global Technology and Business Processes. The latter is one John Hinshaw. He is 41 and he joins HP from Boeing, where he was Vice President and General Manager of Boeing Information Services. Now, the new CIO will report to Hinshaw. His name is Craig Flower, and he's a real HP veteran, has been in HP IT since 1984. Hinshaw represents Meg Whitman's first major hire. She was named HP CEO a month ago, and Hinshaw will report directly to Whitman. I have a couple of great discussions going on at the Enterprise CIO Forum right now, and they're related. One is about Shadow IT, and it's a video blog by Christian Verstrate. He is the HP strategist for cloud technology, and he relates a conversation he had with a banker. And he asked the banker, how bad is Shadow IT in your company? And the banker responded, we have no Shadow IT, not a problem. Well, sometime later, this banker got back to Christian and said, we've got a huge problem. Shadow IT is everywhere. So we have a wonderful discussion, about 8 to 10 comments going on right now, on how to control Shadow IT and how to enable line of business to do what they want and at the same time protect the data assets in the company. Now, a similar discussion is going on by HP fellow Charlie Bess's blog post on 5 reasons to have a BYOD policy. BYOD, what does that stand for? Bring your own device. And this one focuses a little bit more on security, how to protect the data assets of the enterprise if the data assets are out on devices that IT doesn't know about or can't control or can't secure. And much of this talks about finding a happy medium, a policy, a solution, so innovation isn't stuffed out and employees can have what they want, and at the same time, the enterprise's data assets are secure. I mean, what do you think? These are 2 key issues. We really invite you to join in on these 2 great discussions. Well, that's it for this week in review. I'm John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum. We will see you again.